What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. We're here today with another video for you guys. I hope you guys liked the last videos I posted. It all the highway pulls, the flybys, the top speed runs. What else we did? Yeah, we did a lot of videos, man. I hope you like that. We wasted a whole tank of gas on that day. A whole tank of gas, bro. Your gas expensive right now, bro. Wasted a whole tank. It's like $50 to fill up. So $50 in a day, that's a lot. You two don't pay nothing, bro. So I'm doing this for you guys. And I hope, oh yeah, it's Christmas Eve, by the way. So Merry Christmas to everybody. By the time you're watching this, probably Christmas or probably past Christmas. So hope everybody has had a great Christmas. Enjoy, have fun with the family, spread some positivity, spread some love. It's not about gifts. It's about being about people that you care about and just enjoying the day. Do what you guys gotta do with a positive aspect. Don't do anything negative, man. Negativity is the worst thing you could do, because promoting negativity just leads to more negative, and you ain't gonna get nowhere in life like that. So spread positivity, stay positive, stay humble, stay motivated, accomplish every goal, every dream that you have. Believe in yourself, because anything and everything is possible. Don't let nobody tell you that it's not otherwise. But anyways, I'm picking up the camera now because I'm about to go to my cousin's house, which is Louis, which is the one that was been recording the last videos. And he's the one that was the passenger in my car in the other video. Because I got a lot of bird shit on my car, bro. Like, look at this. Like up there. I got more in the front and stuff like that, but yeah. And the road is bad. Look at this. So yeah. I'm not beat for that, because I'm not beat to show you the rest, because it's cold. It's too cold. So I'm about to just go ahead, drive to my cousin's house, and that's it, bro. Because it's so cold outside. It's about 16 right now. Earlier at nighttime I was working. It was like probably like -10, and my freaking look, my tint is coming out. That's how cold it is. Look, it's coming off my tint. I'm gonna have to get that redone. Anyways, once I get to the highway, I'll pick up the camera. Obviously do the same thing, give you some pulls real quick. But till then, stay tuned. We're heading to my cousin's. The camera, yo, this guy has been blowing my shit. Look, he's been trying to park for the past 5 minutes, bro. Now, mind you, it says handicap plates, but look at this. He's about to get out again. He or she, whatever. I don't know what it is, bro. Well, I'm not waiting here for another 5 minutes, buddy. You still got a bad angle. Not even that old of a man, bro. He's just handicapped. Don't look like he's incapable, but whatever. I don't know. A lot of people have handicap plates, not even handicapped. So whatever. If he is handicapped, then alright, whatever. But if he's not handicapped, he's one of those guys that just got those plates for whatever minor thing. And come on, bro. Learn how to park. But look at this. Look at this. Look at the bird shit right there. Another one. I'm telling you, bro. It's too cold and the water is gonna freeze. So that's why I can't even like wash the car. It's just gonna freeze. It's too cold outside, bro. Water's just gonna instantly freeze, man. It's not even worth it, bro. That's why I'm just gonna try to rinse off the bird crap, and that's it. I'm not even trying to clean the car, bro. Not even, bro. It's gonna be dirty for Christmas Eve and Christmas, man, and I can't do nothing about it. Ain't nothing gonna be done about it. Now, hopefully I can get in the highway now without anybody handicapped or not handicapped on the road, just making it more time consuming than it has to be to get on the highway. We'll see what happens. The highway right now. I'm not even gonna put it on sport mode because I don't even know how the traffic is right now. This sun is beaming. I don't even know if you guys can see right now, bro. Sheesh. That sun is literally directly on me right now. Traffic ain't too bad. I was expecting it to be a little worse. But the roads are really salty and cold, so I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm still on REERs, so not really convenient for me to do anything crazy. I'll probably start sliding at like 60-70 miles an hour, and the car's not really predictable. You know what I'm saying? When it starts with these tires, when it starts sliding, it's not really predictable, man. It's tires. like regular all-season tires, all that. You know what I'm saying? This is built for like hot weather, sticky, to be sticky as possible to the road, and the hot, dry weather, not for the rain or the cold. It's not really built for none of that, especially this below cold. You know, 15 degrees, negative 15. But it is what it is. Yo, every time I pick up the camera, I tell you guys, look, I see police. Look, somebody crashed over there. Look, somebody crashed over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. Look. Every time I pick up the camera, it's an accident. Sheesh. And this sun is still being But what do you guys think about that Corolla that's coming out, bro? That's what I'm really interested in. That Corolla? That GR Corolla, man, all-wheel drive, manual. I think it's a 1.3 turbo, making like what, 300 horsepower or something like that. I'm waiting for that, bro. I'm actually thinking about ordering me that car when it comes out. I'm actually on the waiting list for that car. I'm still haven't decided to pull the trigger now if I'm gonna get it or not, because I will have this Supra and the Corolla hatch. I'm still debating on it. I know for content, that car would definitely blow my channel up. And the reason obviously because it's a new car. The Supra has been out for a long time already, so YouTube algorithm is gonna put me on top. So even though my videos are doper in my opinion than a lot of YouTubers, like my content for Supra is way more fire than everybody else's. Everybody else just do the same thing. They all do the same thing. Either they go to car meets and they race people on the car meets, or two, they barely beat on it. They really don't drive it like it's supposed to be driven, and they put mods on it, and that's it. The basic stuff, like a TJ Hunt style. You know me, I'm literally showing you guys raw footage all the time, racing, driving hard all the time. I'm literally showing you how I drive my car all the time. Like, and all the other people can say like, oh, it's because they don't like to beat their car up. They just want to drive it like a regular person. Man, it's a freaking Supra, bro. You want to drive a car like a regular car, get a Toyota Corolla, like a base model, or a Honda Civic base model. Why you get a Supra to drive it like an old man, bro? If you can get in a Supra or a Corvette or a Hellcat or something to drive it like an old man, there's no point of it. I don't see that. That's not no car enthusiast. You're literally keeping the car brand new for what? Because you're not keeping that car for long. I guarantee most of those people, even those YouTubers, because most of them literally sell the car after a while, after they make enough content on them to get rid of them, they keep it new for the next guy. That's basically like having a girlfriend, right? And you're not doing her because you're trying to keep it mint, and then you break up with your ass, and now the next guy got a mint condition girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the same thing. Like, what are you doing, bro? I drive my car, bro. I'm already at almost 15,000 miles. I only had this car for eight months. You know what I'm saying? Like, I drive my cars, bro. That's why my channel is way different. If you watch my videos, you know my channel is different, bro. You know I literally drive the car the way it's supposed to be driven. I don't be on that. Oh, I can't drive it on the snow. I can't drive it on the snow. I bought this car on the snow. It was snowing when I bought it. I was doing content. You know what I'm saying? When it was snowing. My Scat Pack, when I had it, I was drifting that on the snow. I was beating on the snow. I was working with that car on the snow. Same thing with this car. I was working with this car on the snow. Like, I use my car all season round. We got all seasons over here, bro. Snow, hot, cold, rain, all that. This ain't, I'm not in Florida, bro. That's all hot all the time. It just rains. I got all seasons over here. I drive it all season, all year long. No problem, bro. So if you wanted somebody that's gonna give you a full review on the car, that's me right here. Keep staying tuned. I've been beating this car and it had no problems with this car. No issues. I don't even have oil consumption, bro. Not even oil consumption in this car. The 2021s and up, those are the ones that got oil consumption. This one, 2020, don't have any oil consumption, bro. So that's another thing. But anyway, I'm over here going on a rant. Let me chill out. I'm about to go with my cousins now. We're almost there. Wash this bird crap out, and then we'll see what we get from there. I was supposed to go drifting last night, but I didn't have anybody to record for me. I wanted to get outside footage. I don't really want to get inside footage because you can't really see much when you're sliding. So stay tuned, because I am going to get a drifting video for you guys, another one. I do have previous ones. So yeah, I was supposed to go with a G35 sedan, so stay tuned for that. Cop was looking at me weird. No cop. But yeah, I was supposed to go drifting with the G35, and we're supposed to have fun and drift around parking lots and shit like that. But it didn't happen because I didn't have a camera. I wanted an outside camera, not just this camera that I have on my hand. But anyways, I'll get back to you guys in a second.
Okay, hold this hell out. It's like negative 25,000 degrees out here. We clean up a little bird shit off the car. I don't know, he's bugging. I told him to put gloves on. He don't listen. It's gonna keep your hand dry. I don't know. This is his idea. I think this water finna freeze up. I think the water gonna freeze up. We gonna see though. He has faith. Like, look. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera.
Told you.
But like from the water,
Look at that.
it's just like steaming. I don't think I can see it on the camera.
Look at this water, it's steaming right.
I don't think they can't catch it on camera.
This salt is thick. God.
Nah, yeah, there's hella salt stains on the car. He said he finna wash it tomorrow.
I hope.
But I think he crazy. He wildin'. The way this weather is right now.
I've done it before.
If you ain't washing this bitch indoor in this weather though.
I've done it before.
Like this cold.
Yeah, in a scat pack in the winter when it was snowing.
Oh, now this nigga bugging.
I had to, bro.
It's 16 degrees out right now. It says it feels like 0 though.
Oh, it definitely feels like 0. My hands are cold now. This can is hot. This one's cold.
So stick that shit in the water. Stick that shit in the water. Or not, but I've been questioning if the Supra would fit back here in my girl, like towards the back of my house. He made it in. He made it in. I'm gonna get a clip of y'all when he pulling out, so I can show y'all how tight it is. Cause, yo, like low key, if those steps wouldn't be there, bro, this would be perfect. But they put them steps there, so it's mad tight coming in. So
that shit was hard coming in. That shit was bad.
Yo, I'm freezing, bro. It's freezing now. Look at this. They got icicles coming down his
What
car.
are you talking about? She wet.
This is not the only ice.
She wet for me.
This nigga about to make his whole car ice. He gonna pull out and it's gonna be a thin layer of ice across the whole car.
Yeah, girl, I'll make you that wet. Hell no.
Alright.
I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. We're gonna figure this shit out. Look how, show them how tight this shit back here.
Tryna, I don't think I understand how tight this bitch finna be, bro. But y'all finna see when he come to back out. And niggas park like assholes over here, bro. Well, kind of, it wasn't as bad as I expected. Come over this way a little.
You got the black traffic, bro.
Nah, yeah, I'm waiting for these niggas to pass.
That shit tight, bro.
This shit was tight. It was a little bit more, bro. Like literally, it was like this much space left. All right, come on.
We here with my brothers and sisters and everybody. Look. Say what's up, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Hi.
What's up?
Hi.
Put you guys in a clip real quick. Come on, dance real quick. These girls are hating. Oh shit, nigga, shit. I'm gonna get 1,000 views now for that, right? I'm gonna get 1,000 views for that. Got twerking and everything, shit. Damn, right? Who's next? So, I already left my mom's house, my brothers and sisters, which is probably the last clip that you guys saw. And then I went my kid back home, and she opened her gifts, which are basically the gifts that we bought, me and her mom. We made it like Santa Claus bought it, so we did like, you know, we wrote a note. It says it's like to Brooke, Merry Christmas from Santa, and then we put gifts around it, what the tree was at, stuff like that. She was happy. Yeah, and now I'm just driving around. I'm gonna see what I do. I might end up doing like a Christmas drift or something like that. That's the only reason I pick up the camera now. And then after that, I'm gonna end this video, and then I might make another video of just me enjoying the night drifting and stuff like that, like a whole full video of that, full send because it's Christmas now. It's literally 12:24 now. So Merry Christmas to everybody. Again, I know I said it before. Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope you guys got all your wishes and gifts. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy your night. I did. I got to see my family. I haven't seen them in a long time, brothers and sisters. I enjoy my night. I love seeing them, and my mom. So definitely fire. It's definitely dope. Yeah, let's see if I could do a donut for you guys or something, and then I'll end the video, and then I'll continue to the next video, which is gonna be freaking fire, freaking flame. Watch. Just do a dig for you guys right here. Cold outside and it's salt on the floor, so let's see how this goes. Today's was a little short vlog, but hey, at least you got some footage from me, right? Support your boy. I'll see y'all in the next one, bro. Peace.